Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I am unboxing my new Wahoo Elemnt Roam, which was a very nice prize from my Rapha Festive 500. I've ridden with a Garmin bike computer for ages. I'm not sure this will live up to that, but I'm excited to give it a test. Today we're going to unbox it and hopefully get it on my bike for a ride this afternoon, and then in a later video I'll review it and compare it. This is the bundle one, which means it contains the cadence sensor, speed sensor and heart rate monitor as well. Out of those I'll probably only use the heart rate monitor. I've got a power meter on my bike, so that already records cadence. So in the box we have got a little bit about it, and then the bike computer itself. Bike computer. And then under that, mount, cadence sensor, out front mount, speed sensor, charger, heart rate monitor, zip ties for the mounts, and instructions. I think I'll go for the out front mount. I've got the equivalent on my Garmin, and the heart rate monitor I'm quite excited to use. I do have a Garmin heart rate monitor, but I don't wear it because I don't like it. I just find it a little bit annoying. We'll start with the instructions for the computer itself, starting with getting the app. I'll just wait for that to load. After that we've got the turn on. Let me just... Oh, here we go. Scan that. Just waiting for it to load, but this now has a screen on. Okay, I need to sign up for a Wahoo account. I need to go get the Wi-Fi password. I'll be back. That is connected. Now it's just time to set the profile up. That's the current Garmin mount. There we go. And that is the new Wahoo mount fitted. Like that. Cool. Okay, let's pair a sensor. Get the interesting. Save that one. Beeped. Continue. So now to connect it to the device. Oh, it's connected. It's connected, very good. I went for a test ride with it on Saturday for about an hour, and then a 70-mile ride on Sunday with it, where I also tested the navigation. The screen on my first ride looked like this, or zoomed in, which is how I had it, looked like this, which was the default setting. For the second ride, I changed it on the app, which was really easy to do. So it looks like this, which is a bit more zoomed in with the data I want where I want it. That shows the averages higher up, rather than only when it's zoomed out. Overall, first impressions are really good. I'm really excited to test it some more, and once again, a massive thanks to Rapha and Wahoo for this really generous prize. Thanks for watching, bye!